We'll guide you through how to set up an email account on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because once you go and have it set up, you can then easily go and check your inbox, go and send emails, and it's done within an app. You don't have to go and open up a web browser every time you want to go and check your email, have to go and type in your email provider and log in. We can have it all set up within an app, and you can have multiple email accounts in the app as well. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So what we're going to do here is we need to go and find the app we're going to be using this with. So what you want to do is you want to go down and press search at the bottom, and the app we're going to use is Outlook. So go and type it in. So this recently changed from what it used to be, the old mail app on a Windows computer. So when you find Outlook, you then want to go and click on it, and it's going to go and open up like so, as you can see. So it says setting things up. You may go and be suggested to go and use your Outlook or Microsoft account here. If you aren't, don't worry. And I'll also guide you through adding another email address shortly as well. So don't worry as well, because of course Outlook does make you think you need to go and use a Microsoft account, but as you can see, it goes and supports Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud, IMAP, and Pop. So you can go and use your email provider here. So we can go and type in our email. So I'm going to go and type mine in now, and I'm actually going to do this with the Gmail, but I'll show you adding another one as well. So we'll go and type it in. After you've done that, you go and press continue. So as you can see, it says for a better experience, your emails, calendar, events is going to be synced. It's fine. We'll go and press continue. Now, how this works is it's going to go and open up a web browser here. Now, I'm actually already signed in to this account in the web browser. If I wasn't, I'd be prompted to go and enter in. Well, if first of all, it would pre-enter my email, you'd press next and then enter in your password. But because I'm already signed in, it's going to skip that part out. Just in the web browser, I'm already signed in. If you're also signed in, that'll apply to you. Otherwise, enter in your password. Then we can go and press continue. We can then go and give it the permissions here. I'll press select all. I've read these before, but just make sure you want them all. And then you can go and press continue at the bottom. And we can then press open Outlook. And as you can see, it says return here when you're done. If you find it gets stuck on that loading page there, what you can do is go and find Outlook in the taskbar, right click on it and go and press close. Then you can go and search for it again and open it up. You may need to go and just authorize it again, but otherwise it may just go and work. And here we are. And if you want to go and add another account, you can go over to the left. You may need to scroll down in some cases. Otherwise, just see add account and you can press there and add another.